Show me standing line.
Standing line.
Wonderful job.
Show me standing line.
Standing line. Tim, look. Our popsicle sticks are the examples of standing line. This is standing line. Standing line. This popsicle stick is the perfect 3D example of standing line, Tim. You are doing good. Standing line. Standing line.
What is standing line?
A vertical line. Straight line. Straight line from top to bottom.
Wonderful job.